we are making a quick mini thin crust tortilla pizza. Yeah, now we're going to use our cookie cutter here. Slices of ham and salami. Pan's hot enough. Now we're going to just put our tortilla right in there and let that toast on that side for a little bit. Beautiful. Now we're going to add our sauce. Now we're going to add our cheese. Put our salami on and our ham. Bits of ham and salami that we chopped up. Now we're going to put a little bit more cheese on top of that. Yep. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt. Alright, let's have a little taste. Look at the cheese. Ain't that pretty? Beautiful. Alright, let's have a little taste. Oh yeah. These are way better than takeout, let me tell you. You're going to love these right here. Mmm. Good.